Hello and welcome to BT Mindrush Best CEO Awards. I'm joined by Harsh Mariwala, who's the chairman of Marico. Thank you so much for joining us. Congratulations, sir. Sir, I'd like to start by asking you that what sort of innovation do you see in the FMCG space, and what can we expect now?
So I think a lot of innovations happened because of technology, and D2C brands, many of them have launched, which are new brands catering to newer segments. You may call it micro segmentation, but I think they have innovated, and they have grown quite well in a highly competitive FMCG industry. But separately on innovations, I just want to talk to you about one project which we are doing. It's a project on recycling plastics and wastage, because a lot of plastic gets generated by the FMCG industry, and we buy a lot of plastics and we use a lot of plastics, and it goes waste. We want to reuse it, but the quality of reused plastics we get is very inferior. So we have identified a vendor who is an expert in recycling, and we also have identified a high-speed recycling machinery manufacturer which recycles all the wastage and identifies plastics depending on the type of plastics and the brand also through AI, and it's very high speed. And that project is coming up in Hyderabad. We will start construction now. By the time it comes up, it may take 1 year, but we are very hopeful that this project will resolve the problem of reusing plastics by the FMCG industry. It has a good payback, and if this prototype project is successful, we see it getting scaled up all over India, and hopefully that will resolve a lot of landfill problems, which is really a big health hazard for all of us. So I'm very, very excited about that innovative project.
What are the expansion plans for the international markets?
So international is, we have identified developing markets as a way to grow, and partly because of organic expansion in Bangladesh and some of the neighboring markets, we have done well, and we also have grown through inorganic expansion through acquisitions in Egypt. We also have organic growth through Middle East. So our key markets are Bangladesh, GCC countries, South Africa and Vietnam, wherein we will go on launching newer brands and we will expand. And in addition to that, we are also looking at expanding in other parts of Africa and all over the world, and leveraging the goodness of coconut. Coconut is a superfood, and can we make Parachute a far more impactful global brand over a period of time.
How are you adapting with the changing consumer preferences?
So I think the consumer is changing very, very fast, and I think the consumer is far more involved in terms of purchasing decision, in terms of identifying a brand or something they want to buy which has a purpose. The trends in terms of consumers are more towards health, immunity, natural, organic. So these are the areas where we see opportunities, and based on our portfolio of products, we are leveraging health through our healthy foods in Saffola, and also our natural offerings in the personal care products.
So what would be that main key trend in the FMCG space which investors also should look out for, and the business?
FMCG has been disrupted by all the D2C brands, and that is being the biggest disruptor which has happened in the FMCG industry ever. And I think it's an area of opportunity for FMCG industry. For Marico, we acquired brands which would be our growth engines for future, and we have looked at this disruption from an opportunistic point of view, which has really played a very important role in Marico's journey.
Thank you so much for those insights. Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.